Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this 2026 model year Yamaha AR195. Just arrived here at the dealership. Guys, beautiful boat. You see it's got the white top cap, blue accent stripe with a white bottom. On the AR195 series, you've got the pop-out cleats, the nice stainless rub rail insert. Let's take a look at the back of the boat, guys. Look at the back, you'll see the traditional Yamaha swim platform. Great spot to hang out, entertaining, floating. This is definitely a party spot. A couple cup holders on each side. Nice boarding ladder right here. As you'll see through your transom walkthrough, you've got a point right here for pulling water sports, water skiing, inner tubes. You also have another tow point up top. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Yamaha AR195. As you'll see up in the bow, plenty of nice seating, cup holders on each side with a grab rail, speakers. Got a nice walk-through windshield here, opening up to a big cockpit with an L-shaped seating wraparound. You got storage underneath all these seats back here. Nice captain's chair with a bolster to help see up. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see the Yamaha Connect screen, your stereo with Bluetooth, cell phone holder, and all your gauges and instruments. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.